Looking for the best wax 3D printer that offers the right bang for your buck? We have researched and sifted through the top 9 printers on the market and have chosen 3 of the best wax 3D printers that offer the best performance. In case you don't know already, wax 3D printing has been around for quite some time. But it's only in the past few years that it's become an affordable option. Polyamides and thermoplastics were used in wax-casted jewelry 3D printers previously. Now, a wax-like material that's similar to natural wax is also being used. Starting number 1, Eligo Mars. The overall structure is simple but sturdy. The 3.5-inch touch control screen makes it easy to use. Also, the aluminum body is super durable, and the acrylic cover feels sturdy enough too. The device is easy to set up. Leveling the build plate is also pretty simple. Quite simply, just insert the supplied USB drive and follow the instructions. Note, it need not be connected to a computer while printing. The printer runs on the Chitabox slicing software, which is super fast. On top of that, there's the 2560 by 1442 KHD masking LCD for solid accuracy levels. The overall print quality is excellent, and the printing process is much quieter than most other wax 3D printers in the market. Beyond that, the software also optimizes the resin used during the photo curing process. Overall, the unbelievably low price and the good print quality make this our best value choice in the category. At number 2, Anycubic PhotonS. The PhotonS is known for its high-quality printing. While testing it, we were impressed by the superb level of detail in the prints. To start with, the printer is almost ready to print right out of the box. Leveling the build plate and adjusting the Z-axis is simple. Then you just need to follow the instructions from the supplied USB drive. The device works on a PhotonS Workshop bundled software that has a graphical user interface. The touchscreen interface worked pretty smoothly. The noise level is around 39 decibels. It was quiet enough for us. One of the best things about the design is the dual rail system in the Z-axis. That delivers excellent accuracy along this axis. The matrix UV lighting ensures high precision levels and distributes the energy evenly. Lastly, the device offers an air filtration system with activated carbon air filtering. This helps keep away any odors during the casting process. All in all, this printer can print any complex 3D model to perfection. We had no doubts about marking it as our editor's choice. If you are looking to print miniatures or jewelry pieces, this is a good printer to choose. At number 3, Polyamides. The Polyamides Wax 3D printer is the most expensive entry on our list. But if you're looking for something beyond high quality for 3D printing, this is it. Frankly, the print quality was outstanding. The first thing you'll notice is the massive build volume. This allows you to print larger objects easily. Note, the resin container can hold almost a liter, so make sure that you top up. The MSLA printing technology uses UV lights to solidify the resin, which is photosensitive. The technology exposes an entire layer under the UV light at a time. The result is faster printing speed for larger objects, and the best part is, you can use any type of resin material you choose. When it comes to the setup, the device can be adequately termed plug and play. However, the massive cooling fans do make a fair amount of noise. The lack of Wi-Fi was an issue, but we were able to connect it with the Ethernet quite easily. Next, the Qi 2 firmware is super easy to use. The interface is intuitive, and there's lots of useful information. The overall print quality was superb. The edges of the intricate chess pieces we printed were sharp and clean. Granted, this isn't the right choice for hobbyists, but it's a perfect choice for anyone looking for 3D wax printing on a medium to large scale. In the end, it came out as our premium choice in this category.